Hey, why don't you show us one of your raps? Why don't you show us?
She got some amazing stuff. Ready?
Your rap.
You got your beanbag next to your wheelchair. No, that's not a wheelchair. It's a rocking chair. But you got kind of highlighted hair. And you cut your earrings for God knows why. God isn't there. Just my friend. Bye-bye. No! His name is Miss Carrie Ann. Carrie Ann came to my door and delivered fruit. She put it in a basket and came over to church. And I was like, oh my God, Miss Carrie was an owl. So I should give her some so she could swallow down her foul. Oh yeah, because you don't know how to play softball, but I play for so many years. I know what I want, but I can't hit because I always
What the fuck?
And it pisses me off. Yeah.
I fucking hate that about the light, dude.
Your lamp fucked up because you ran out of cheese. Because now you can't have your omelets in the morning. I don't want no omelets. I just want my fucking crazy corn and because right, I'm Mexican. Hey, my name is Alana K. Tano, and I like to get pinned against the wall and be like, pin the tail donkey.